Hi friends, today's topic in Geography Unit 3, India Agriculture. Agriculture, it is the process of producing food for the people, fodder for cattle, fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and the raising of domesticated animals, that is livestock. You know very well, agriculture, it is not only a farming, a fielding work, even mining, all the other attitudes together, it's mixed with the agriculture. Here possibly we are watching the process of producing food for the people, fodder for cattle, fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and the raising of domesticated animals, that is livestock. Agriculture in India is determined by a set of factors. Some of the important factors are physical factors, institutional factors, infrastructural factors, and technological factors. Basically, it's very important related to the physical factors. Relief, that is topography, the landscape, climate, and as well as the soil. Let me see the maps of the agriculture. What are the important crops, which grows, in which soil it grows. This is the map exercise for you to demarcate the major tracts of alluvial soils that we are going to see in the soil map, delineate the main regions of black soil, and locate the Hirakud Dam, Mettur Dam and Damodar Dam. These are the important. It's a map question for you for the public exam. Shade the regions of jute cultivation. Then mark any 3 tea, coffee growing areas. Then demarcate the regions of desert soil. And finally, I'm going to talk about the fishing hubs. Tuticorin, Chennai, Cochin, Mumbai and Machilipatnam. Then finally, you're going to talk about the Delta region. Kaveri Delta and Godavari Delta. This is the major soil types in India. Look at this. This is the key. What are the types of soils? We have alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, forest and mountain, arid and desert soil, saline and alkaline, peaty and marshy type of soils we have. Now it's a map question is to locate alluvial soil, okay, black soil. Now they're asking about the desert soil too. So we are going to see that which are the area cover for your alluvial soil, mountain soil. This is your mountain soil. This is alluvial soil where the river beds. This is also alluvial and this is alluvial soil region. Red soil, which is possibly you can find out in Dravidian region and as well as in the central eastern part of the region of India. So black soil, this is the region of black soil and this is laterite soil where you have a few parts. This is your laterite. Forest and mountain soil, this is the last forest. Mountain forest, if they ask the question, you can locate this region. Even for the mountain soil region also you can locate. Arid and desert soil, it's a Thar desert region, you know very well, in the western part of Rajasthan. Okay my dears, so these are the different types of soils we found in India. Now see the dams. India multi-purpose river valley projects. Now these projects, look at this, it's Malakand project, Jammu Kashmir, Bakranangal, Tehri, Chembal. Now here in map they are asking to locate Damodar river valley project, which is here. Look at this region, Damodar river valley project. This is a Hirakud dam and here the Mettur dam, which is in Tamil Nadu. So these are the 3 important dams they are telling you to locate in the map question. The fishing hubs, they have asked you about the fishing hubs and the rivers. River Narmada and Tapi, all these rivers are available, major rivers are available in this map itself. you can do in India rivers map. Now look at the fishing hubs. Chennai, and this is Tuticorin, Kochi, Mumbai, the regions which they have asked you to locate in a fishing hub. The Delta River, Godavari Delta. This is the region where the river Godavari flows. It starts from the western border and flows towards the eastern side in the Bay of Bengal. So this is the Godavari Delta and even the Kaveri Delta region. So these are the two deltas you are going to be locate in a map. Apart from your dams, fishing hubs, and the two delta regions you are going to locate in this map. Now the next map question is your tea and coffee growing region. So look at this key very carefully. The colors which denotes: green represents sugarcane, cotton, jute, oil and seeds. Now in your book back side they are asking you to locate jute, tea and coffee. So these three things you have to locate in your One India map. So this region, this is for your tea, Assam region. It's very familiar in the northern eastern border, Assam. Now look at this in the Nilgiris border. This is for your coffee in Karnataka and the mostly part of the Western Ghats part of the Tamil Nadu side. You can see that. So this region you have to locate for your coffee, and this is for your tea. Three regions you are saying. This is almost many states have been covered. Meghalaya is there, West Bengal, and as well as Assam region followed that. So it is mentioned like here the border of Kerala for the coffee, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So three regions they have mentioned you to locate for the tea, coffee. In jute, this is the jute region, West Bengal region. It's represent jute. So if they are asking to locate the jute area, you have to locate this area only. So this is the major cash crops which we found in India. So it's very important, my dears. You should go through that and try to complete the map work. It is very important. 8 marks for that map activity. So please do it without fail. Thank you, my dears.